Welcome back from the Tennessee Frugal Craftsman. It is, believe it or not, Christmas Day. We just opened gifts and whatnot, and I am here with my daughter, Maddie. And normally I wouldn't be out here on Christmas Day, but I have discovered an issue here on the property that I wanted to take care of, and I wanted to get it done sooner rather than later. And so I'll just pull the camera around here and show you what we're going to try to take care of today. As you can see down there at the very bottom of the hill, I have a pile or a rank of wood that fell over. As the wood is starting to dry out and the ground is shifting a bit, you can obviously see that we have some issues with the rank falling down. And so I wanted to get that back up and covered. So I'm going to walk down here and just assess the situation before I start doing my work. I hope you had a Merry Christmas. Like I said, not my normal way to spend Christmas Day, but I've been working on my other project for my friend, and so I wanted to get this done in some of my off time. And so you can see here what happened is, when I originally ranked this, I wasn't sure how long I was going to have it here, but I just threw down some wood here just to get it up off the ground. But as you can see, it's about a third of a cord or so. It all fell over nicely. And so now I've got to get this thing cleaned up, back up in a pile. So property today, looking pretty good. It's 66 degrees here in Tennessee on Christmas Day. They said it's supposed to get up to almost 70, so it's a beautiful day here. And we're going to just kind of get this taken care of before I go back and have some lunch. And so I will click this back on in a few minutes, and maybe you can watch me do a little bit of work. We'll talk to you in a minute. Well, we're about 2/3 done. Maddie's working really hard here. We're trying to tilt the firewood back up the hill a bit so it won't come down again, but we'll keep going here. bit.
Now do we get to cover it up?
All right, about a 25-minute job, but we got it all done. Obviously, I'm not going to make you watch the whole film, but this time we got it leaning a little bit better, if anything, a little bit that way. And I braced it up down on the bottom with a few extra pieces down on the bottom side. So I don't know, it's not that big of a job, but hopefully we won't have to redo that. And so, hope you have yourself a Merry Christmas. Maddie, she can say her goodbyes, and we're going to head back and have some Christmas dinner. Thanks for joining me. I'm hoping to be back on the site doing some milling probably by the first week in January or so, Lord willing. I've got a fair amount of work yet to do out at my friend's property, and I'll give you an update on that on Monday. We're into the framing now, and we're up to starting to do the rafters and the end wall, so I will update you on that. Until next time, you guys have a Merry Christmas.